Hi, I'm Madhu, founder of Regovix. If your site handles dangerous goods, you already know the pressure. The paperwork, the segregation rules, the disposal trails, the audit anxiety. We built an AI-enabled app, DGVault, to take that weight off your team. It's an end-to-end chemical stock management platform, built specifically for Australian hazardous waste and DG operations. Real-time stock visibility, ADG compliant segregation checks, disposal workflows, and a full audit trail, all in one place. No spreadsheets, no compliance gaps, no surprises. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Let's get into it.
The dashboard is your home base. At a glance, you can see total chemicals on site, current stock value, and active alerts, all updating in real time. Below the KPI cards, you'll find a breakdown of stock by dangerous goods class, monthly disposal cost over time, and storage location utilization. The system also flags slow-moving chemicals and any priority disposals that need attention. Everything you need to stay across your site before you've had your morning coffee. Let's start with receiving incoming stock. Click on Receiving in the left navigation. Here you select the chemical being received, enter the quantity, batch number, container type, and the destination storage location. Here's where the system does the heavy lifting. The moment you select a storage location, it automatically checks for ADG segregation conflicts. If the chemical you're receiving is incompatible with what's already stored there, you'll get a warning before anything is saved. No guessing, no relying on memory. The system has the segregation matrix built in. Stock management gives you a live view of every chemical across all your storage locations. From here, you can log 3 types of movements. A transfer moves stock between locations, useful when you're reorganizing or making space. A drawdown records consumption or usage, keeping your quantities accurate without a full stock take. And if there's a damage or spillage event, logging it here automatically creates an incident alert in the system. No separate step required. Stock take is where you reconcile the system's calculated quantities against what's actually on the shelf. The system shows you the expected quantity based on all recorded movements. You enter your physical count, and it instantly calculates the variance. You can record the reason for any discrepancy: evaporation, spillage, transfer error. This gives you a defensible audit trail for regulators and keeps your records accurate going forward. Disposal has 2 parts, which mirrors how most sites actually operate. First, any user can raise a disposal request, flagging a chemical that needs to go off-site. The site chemist or manager then reviews it and either approves or rejects it with a reason. Once a disposal is completed, you record it as a disposal event, capturing the contractor name, manifest number, and cost. This feeds directly into your monthly disposal cost reporting on the dashboard and gives you a compliance record of every off-site movement. The chemical register is your master list of every chemical on site. You can add chemicals manually, filling in the UN number, DG class, and packing group yourself. But the real time saver is the AI classification button. Just type in the chemical name, say sodium hypochlorite, and the AI looks it up and autofills the UN number, DG class, and packing group for you. For teams managing hundreds of chemicals, this alone saves significant data entry time and reduces classification errors. Storage locations lets you define and manage every storage area on your site. For each location, you set the total capacity, the permitted DG classes, and the system tracks current utilization with visual progress bars. When a location is approaching capacity, that shows up here and on the dashboard. This is also the foundation for the ADG segregation checks. The system knows which DG classes are permitted where, and uses that when you're receiving or transferring stock. The audit trail is a full, read-only history of every stock movement ever recorded in the system. You can filter by movement type, receiving, transfer, drawdown, disposal, or search by chemical name or batch number. Every entry shows who made it and when. When it's time for a regulatory audit or internal review, hit export to download everything as a CSV. One click, and you have a complete compliance record ready to go. The Alerts module is where you manage all active incidents and system warnings. This includes spillages logged via stock management, incompatible chemicals detected in storage, missing safety data sheets, and quantity threshold breaches that might trigger licensing or EPA notification requirements. Alerts can be acknowledged to show they're being dealt with. or resolved to close them out. One click for each, with a timestamp recorded. From here you manage users and assign roles. A store person gets access to receiving, stock, and stock take. A site chemist adds chemical register access and disposal approval. A site manager adds reports and alerts. And an admin has full access to everything including settings.